Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to check whether a given number is an Armstrong number or not. What is an Armstrong number? A number is said to be an Armstrong number if the sum of the cubes of the digits is equal to the original number. That means the cube of each digit is equal, sum of the cubes of each digit is equal to the number itself. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, that is 1 plus 125 plus 27 gives 153. 153 is sum of the cubes of digits and the original number was also 153. So this is an Armstrong number. Let us check the program. I have used input stream reader method. These are the lines that are required for input stream reader method. These three lines helps us to take the input of a number. I have used three variables: rem, sum and n1. Rem is used to extract and store each digit in it. Sum is used to calculate the sum of the digits. N1 is used to store the value of n in it, because after the execution of this loop the value of n will become 0 and we can't compare this with the value of sum. Let's check the logic of this program. The logic to find an Armstrong number is this: while n greater than 0, number should be greater than 0. Rem equal to n modulus n, it extracts each digit and stores in it. Sum equal to sum plus rem into rem. This calculates the cube of the digit and this calculates the sum of the cubes of the digits. N equal to n divided by 10. Here it checks the condition. And prints the statement. Suppose I have given the input as 153. So let's check the dry run of the program. N was 153. 153 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. 153 modulus 10. It will give you 3. 3 is stored in rem. Sum equal to, sum was 0. 0 plus 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 0, 27. 153 divided by 10, 15. 15 is stored in n. First iteration is done. N was 15. 15 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. 15 modulus 10. It will give you 5. 5 is stored in rem. Sum was 27. 27 plus 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. 125 plus 27, it will give you 152. 152 is stored in sum. 15 divided by 10, it will give you 1. 1 is stored in n. Second iteration is done. N was having 1. 1 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is true. 1 modulus 10, 1. 1 is extracted and stored in rem. Sum was 152. 152 plus 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So 152 plus 1, 153. 153 is stored in sum. 1 divided by 10, it will give you 0. 0 is stored in n. Third iteration is done. 0 greater than 0? No, the condition is false. So the loop gets terminated and it executes the rest line, that is, it comes here and checks the condition. Sum was 153. N1 was also having 153. 153 is double equal to 153. Yes, the condition is true. If the condition is true, then it prints this statement: system.out.println, it is an Armstrong number. Let us check it. (153). See, it is an Armstrong number. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.